Hello everybody, I'm Luis and let's talk about this plugin, FamilyLoader. And in this video, I'm gonna implement in the code Dependency Injection. So yeah, let's take a look in the code and let's see what we can do. So first I'm gonna install my library for Dependency Injection. Gonna go in Manager, NuGet Package, and gonna search in here ricaun.revit.di, and this one, let's install this, or I can go as well in here and or at this one. Yep, package reference, same thing. I'm gonna change it to this one and let's move in here. I'm gonna make more. So yeah, that's installed, and now I can't. Let's go in my sample. I'm gonna copy this one, gonna be easier. So yep, let's copy this. This just a sample for the hosting and a static container. So let's create a new host, something like this, and let's copy this one. Let's move this one to here, and yep, everything is fine. Great. One thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create two other static methods. So let's create a public static container. Could be. Yeah. Let's go initialize. Yes. And let's return the container. Yes. And let's create a public static dispose. Yep. I'm missing the void. Great. And what else I need right now? Yep. I'm gonna inject in here the Y controller application. Let's change to application here. Great. And let's add the something like that, and let's go in the container. Yes, add Revit singleton. Yeah, I write, yeah, I miss, and I need the application here. Yes, just to add basically the Y application, Y controller, the application, and the controller application in my container. Yes, and I forget to dispose this one in the end. Yeah, basically I need this. Yeah, let's go in my application, my Y application. Let's just add this one first. Initialize. Yeah, I need the application. So, and I need to dispose this one in the end. Yeah. One thing I want to add inside that container is this Revit task service. So let's just copy this and let's create in here container.add singleton. Yes, and I'm gonna add this one. So let's, and I need to be Revit task service. Yeah, something like this. This should work. And yep, let's remove this just to make some stuff. I need to remove this one, and I don't need that. And I'm missing to initialize, and I'm gonna do that after that. I don't need to initialize this because I already gonna inject the Y controller application in that, so I can remove this. And I need to fix, I guess, this one. I don't have this anymore, so let's add something like host.resolve. Yep, let's resolve this. Missing this one. Yes, and this is gonna inject for me, and this I Revit the task, so the rest should work the same. And let's see if I build that. I can try to run this, and I'm gonna have this error because I forget not. I need to initialize the Revit task service, and of course I need to dispose in the end as well. So let's do that. Let's go on the roast. Let's add an initialize. So I could create, I don't know if the best idea is a good idea. I should try to initialize by default in the library, but I don't know if that's a good idea. I'm gonna resolve this, and if this one is this class, I'm gonna Revit task dot initialize. Yes, that's one way to do it. Or I could try inside the library, try to initialize by default when I create the class. I'm not sure. And in the end, I need to dispose this. This indisposable. Dispose. And dispose. Yeah, that's what I need to do. I could try to implement something inside here as well, but yeah, I don't know if that's a good idea. Anyway, now I initialize that and I'm disposing it. Great. I could add some here to show the console. Enable print console true. Yep. If I enable that and build this, should appear that I'm requesting this. I'm requesting this as well. And I'm instantiating this object. So if I open this, I'm gonna have other logs. And now if I double click in here, should load that by default. So yeah, everything is working. I guess that's basically it, what I want to do in this video. I only have this in this project. I could instantiate this as well in some other place. Would be a good idea. Would be easier to do actually. Let's see my view model, what I have in here. Pretty sure I'm doing here actually. Yeah. I could instantiate this as well if I want something like, what is it? Something like this. I don't want to do that. Something like this should work. Yeah, the rest is the same. This should work fine. Pretty sure. Let's Control Z everything here. Yeah, let's clear that. Let's double click. Yeah, should instantiate the other as well. Yeah, so everything works the same. I'm gonna change for that, I guess. Looks okay. Yeah, I could clear that a little better in the future, but that's it for this video. Just want to add the dependency injection in this project. So in the future, it's gonna be easier to add more stuff in here or some other services as well. I could create a interface for this to make really specific, but at the moment this works fine. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna put the link of this project in the description and the dependency injection as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.